I'm letting all of you know now. You're going to be slow off the light. Cars will be honking at you, and you're going to get so nervous. But I'm going to support you. I'm going to say, I'm right here next to you. Take your time, relax. I'm going to support you because I'm supposed to support you. Okay? And that's really important that I do that. And you're going to feel alone sometimes, but I'm here to help you. Okay? So if you're feeling extra moody that day, that's no reason for you to take it out on someone else, but that's what you're going to do. Next, number 3, does lack of sleep affect behavior? Driving behavior. Sleep deprivation reduces patience and increases irritability. So you're driving in the city or icy roads. Let's talk about this for a second. Driving in the city is different than driving in the suburbs. You have more people, you have more cars, you have more lights, more conflicts to possibly run over someone. Icy roads, you want to reduce your speed. It was very icy today. You got to leave early. The biggest thing I want to tell all of you, leave early. But because you are teens and you're under 21 and that cerebral cortex is not developed, you're going to leave 5 minutes before you have to go to school. You have ice on your car. Your parents have gone. They put money into your account. You don't have an ice scraper because you were too cheap to buy one. You're going to be 25 minutes late to first hour, and your parents are going to call and say, we got a text from Power School. Why are you late? I don't know, Mom and Dad. So that's going to happen to all of you because human nature, you're going to sleep. You're going to oversleep. Okay, we're coming off Christmas vacation. We're used to staying up 3, 4, 5 in the morning. Now you've got to get up at 5:30, but you're going to get up at 6:30. Then you didn't set up all your clothes for the following week. Now you're trying to run down in the basement and get a sock. And then your car's not started. And then you stayed out late. So you can kind of understand how you're going to set yourself up for failure. So leave earlier. You probably said, that's so simple, but you won't do it. Another example, after pulling an all-nighter for high school, Jake felt on the edge and was yelling at the driver who was going too slow. That's going to be us. We're going to be that driver on the expressway going too slow. The speed limit is 70. You're going to be going 50. You're going to be going 45. And I'm telling you, please step on the gas. Please step on the gas. And you won't do it because you're scared. So I have to really support you and understand you and help you. How does a person's temperament or personality type play into their likelihood to experience road rage? A type A personality, these are people who are very competitive, easily frustrated, and are more prone to road rage. Some of you are type A. Okay, let's pretend Alex has to win at all costs. He lost a video game. He slammed his mouse down. He failed his English test. He kicked the wall. He's got to drive and pick up his sister at the elementary. 4 football players block the entrance to the school and they're doing a burnout. He gets mad and drives on the grass. He hits someone. Type A personality. My personality, I'm very chilled. I am type A some because I want to get things done. But also, I'm very patient. I'm very kind. I understand. I have high expectations on me and you. And if you're not meeting my expectations, I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to give you a dad example, an uncle example, a parent example, because I'm a dad, I'm an uncle, and I'm a parent. I'm a teacher. I'm a coach. So when I set expectations for my athletes, I set very high expectations. If I set high expectations, you will meet those. Alex is a perfectionist. He gets upset when the drivers don't completely stop at stop signs, mumbling angrily in his car. A lot of people don't stop at stop signs. They're lazy, they're lazy, they're lazy. The one time the police are there, they get a ticket. And I laugh at them. Do it right the first time. But some of you won't do it because you're not used to doing things in an orderly fashion. It's really important. Do unresolved anger management issues escalate into road rage? People with unresolved anger management issues may have a difficult time controlling their reactions while driving. Um, let's pretend that Olivia, her friend tripped her at school. All your friends laughed. They took pictures. They posted on social media. The picture of you sliding on your face went viral. It had 1 million views. You're very angry. You drive in the parking lot. You saw the girl who pushed you. You're going to speed up to her and slam your brakes, but your brakes don't work and you accidentally run her over. So people do carry unresolved anger inside. It's like a fuse ready to pop, and you've got to relax and let that go. But a lot of you can't. Okay? Sam struggles with anger management. He once stopped his car to confront another driver who accidentally cut him off. That's what your friends are going to do in the parking lot. That's why high school parking lots are the most dangerous place. How does poor emotional regulation contribute to aggressive driving? Drivers who cannot manage their emotions are more likely to be impulsive, running a light, cutting off a car, speeding in the parking lot, drifting, cutting off cars, trying to be the first one out of the school. A lot of you will do this because you think it's a game, but it's not. It's very deadly. Drivers who cannot manage their emotions are more likely to be impulsive. Jenna, frustrated by traffic delays, repeatedly slams her steering wheel and shouts, even though she knew it would help the situation. You'll see drivers banging on the steering wheel, hitting the dashboard. For why? They can't do anything with that. They're angry, they're mad, and they are waiting to ignite on someone. Emotional factors. How does heavy traffic trigger aggressive driving? During rush hour, Dave keeps switching lanes aggressively, honking at slower cars. Us, younger drivers, older drivers, middle-aged drivers, student drivers, frustrated. Some drivers get frustrated at traffic, and you can really see those types of drivers. They're cutting lanes back and forth. They're slamming. They're trying to cut off, cut in. Either you're going to be that type of driver or you're going to be really calm. I don't know until I get you in the car. Okay?